Hello and welcome to Channel Field Checkup Series Friday. My name is Chad Winterbore, FSR in North Central Iowa. And today we're going to talk about the importance of analyzing your data. Most operations are full into corn harvest this week, and we're starting to see pictures and videos coming out of yield monitors. So we thought today would be a good time to show you some examples within FieldView of how you can analyze anything from a fungicide trial in your field to different hybrids, different populations, whatever it is that you want to see. Let's take a look at some ways you can analyze things. Now you can see we have moved over to the FieldView Cab app where we're looking at an as-planted map of two different hybrids. And in this particular example, we're comparing 20383 Smart Stack, which is a newer hybrid, versus 20167 Smart Stack, which is an older hybrid. Many times customers struggle with, should I pay more for the newer hybrid or should I stick with the older hybrid? So in this case, let's dig into the data. Let's click on the harvest and yield map. And as you can see here, this is a little bit more of a tough acre field. So it's going to be interesting to dive into the data. So in the upper right-hand corner, you click the button that says Yield Field Report, and this shows that over the entire field, the newer hybrid won by 13 bushels. But in the upper right-hand corner with the arrow, you click on that button. Now we can click Create Field Region and look at things more specifically. So you can see you can either choose freehand, which means you can use your finger to draw any shape and look at the yield within that shape. You can create polygon, or you can click Select Passes, which is my favorite. So let's do that. Let's zoom in a little bit, and I want to look at the better part of the field here. So let's click on 4 passes of the better part of the field and compare these hybrids. And I think what you're going to see here is as it pulls this up, the newer hybrid 20383 actually won by 22 bushels in that part of the field. But now let's go up to the tougher part of the field. Let's click Field Region again, select Passes. And if we select 4 more passes again to look at, let's see what it does in the tough acre part. In this example, the new hybrid only won by 10 bushels. So I hope you can see here how you can dive into different parts of your field, look at different aspects to help you make better decisions. I would encourage you for 2023, contact your channel seedsman, figure out what things you want to analyze in your fields, whether it's a fungicide trial, hybrid trial, population trial, whatever it may be, and they'd be more than happy to help you set this up and then analyze the data at the end of the year. So I hope that helped, and we look forward to talking to you next week on Channel Field Checkup Series Friday. Thank you.